Okay, you guys, so it's time for a car tour. Dum dum dum. Let's go. So this is my car. Dum dum dum. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? And my shot. Out. Okay, so this is the car inside. I mean, as you can see from the steering wheel already here, it's pretty sporty and it's pretty, like, sexy. And I have a smoothie because, you know, I have to be healthy if I want to continue to be, if I want to get older and be more successful and do more amazing things in my life. So, chin chin. I know it probably looks disgusting, but it's actually delicious. So, the car, it's an Audi A2 S-Line, whatever that means. I don't even know. I think it means sporty, and it's really cool. There you go. The end of the video. But this is my favorite part, is the sunroof, because also let me just turn it on. So basically, oh, whose hair bubble is that? I should have cleaned the car before I showed it to you, but you know, like, life is life, whatever. So you just put your foot on the brake, and then you just press. And she turns on. This is my favorite part of the car, is yeah, give me the light. See, I don't even need to go outside because I can get a tan from in my vehicle. Yeah, this is my car. And I just want to say thank you for tuning into this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. No, I mean, I don't really know what to show, to be honest, because I don't really know much about cars. I don't know what the kind of 411 is. So basically, I don't know if there's any personal information on here. If there is, we can just throw it out. But like your diesel thing's over here, it's like a light that kind of goes up. I don't know what this is. I think it's like the temperature of your car. This is the revs. This is the, like, kind of shows your speed. And then also, oh, it has a GPS actually here, which is really handy. But if I go down here, your short-term memory, I don't know what that is. Long-term memory, don't know what that is. Energy consumption, driver assist, I don't know how that works. And then also, you can plug your phone into the Apple Play and you can play like lots of music, which is really cool. It's heated seats. I know. And I know, like, you know, like, I could make like loads of jokes and stuff, but like, you know, I am really grateful for this. I got this myself. I work really hard, and I thought that I deserved something nice to drive around in, and that's all there is to it. When I got it, I was a bit emotional because it's for me anyway, this is a huge thing. I'm actually like, I'm literally about to burst into tears. Like, it's actually insane. It's not even, I can't even put into words how grateful I am right now. Like, it's just insane. Like, I'm actually like shaking. This has just been something, like, I wasn't going to do it this year. I was going to wait and see how this year played out and then do it next year, but the opportunity presented itself and I took it, and long story short, I'm getting a new car, and it's a really nice car. It's a really nice car, and those who are, if you've been around here for a while, you know my story, my current car, the troubles I've had with it. So to have a proper car now is just gonna be insane. Like, I just feel so thankful and grateful. Literally this past like couple months, I've literally not stopped working. Like, I haven't had a day off in a long time, but it's because I'm trying my hardest to build something here, and it's working. And I just feel very thankful that for the clients that I've gained this past few months, I'm very thankful to them. To the job opportunity that I've been given, I'm very thankful for that. And just, my life is really starting to sound so cringe, but like, come to a place that I've been working for so long, and it's quite emotional. It motivates me to work even harder, because like, if I can work this hard and get this, if I work even harder, you know, what else could I get? I saw this online, I was thinking about changing my car, saw this one, inquired about it, went up on a test drive, fell in love with it, put a deposit down the exact same day, drove home for the weekend in my old car, drove back up, picked it up, and boom, it's mine. It's like a fairy tale story. That's a story of how I got this car, and also I'm very much in love with it. So if you could just give me some positive feedback in the comment section. I don't want to hear any like negative comments because I just can't handle that right now. If I can get a car like this, you can also get a car like this. Like it's just one of them things that, like, you know, if you want something bad enough, you can get it. What the fuck is my dog looking at? Like, what is she looking at? Oh my god, she spotted the camera. Okay, let's go back outside again. Go on. So as you can see, we have like some really nice headlights and really cool facade. Oh wait, hold on, I want to do the indicators. Look, these indicators are really cool. Is that cool? Okay, so now that we're in the car, what would you like to see?
Room for a player for me to reflect.
As you, yeah, as the viewer, what would you like to see? Okay, so basically you have your gear stick here. You have your gear stick here, which has like your Tiptronic automatic. I'm gonna wind this up. So you have these things here that can turn up and down the gears if you want to, just in case you aren't feeling the automatic anymore. So down here we have the what's this called? Like a entertainment system. Pan down to see it.
You remember last time you told me don't pan down, I'll get the pan around.
Well, Dean, look, and then you can like click it like this. You click it like that, and next to it, and then you can turn it up, which is really cool. And then also you can connect your phone for Apple CarPlay, and you can use this thing here to kind of move around and click into different things. And you have sat nav, telephone, media, radio, and then I don't know what these things up here are for. So if anyone knows anything about cars and wants to let me know what these things do.
The different radio stations.
No.
Yeah.
No, because like you can do radio like this.
Yeah. What?
No, Dean, it's not.
Favorites. They're the favorites.
No, Dean, get your fucking hand out there now. If you wanted to light up a cigarette in here, you have a little thing here for that, like a lighter. Twist it back to normal, and then also you have cup holders. I like actually the position of these here because when they're here, they're kind of in your way. Like here, they're kind of out of sight, just over there and look away. Oh, also actually, when you like are looking at yourself in the mirror, boom, the light comes on, which is so handy.
Fuck.
What does this do?
If you open your door, well, like shine an Audi
Ah.
underneath.
What? Oh my god, it does. Oh my god, it does. Oh my god, there's a light underneath this. That's
Does it do on my side?
That's class. And that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.